Okay, so new location and a new truck to test out the HPI Jumpshot Flux. Two-wheel drive, of course, makes it a little tricky to drive. You have to be a little bit careful with it. But just getting a feel for it. I have done a speed test with this truck. Seems to grip alright on grass. On grass seems to hook up pretty nicely. Bit understeer, but when you get on the loose stuff, you can spin out quite easily, as you can see there. This is one of those trucks that would definitely benefit from a gyro. In fact, I may actually do that and come back and see how it behaves. Now we are on 2S for now. We will eventually switch out to 3S. Here's our first little bump. Although it has skidded along the road quite badly when I was trying to do a speed test on 3S. It just came up on its roof. This needs a wheelie bar. Something chronic. Actually, you know what? On the thicker gravel there it seems to do well. It's just on the hard pack stuff here that really struggles. Which is going to make it interesting when coming to line up on the jumps. Now a lot of that may be due to tyres. But the tyres themselves I think aren't bad. The rubber compound and everything is actually good. It might just be the tread. Yeah, great for donuts. And as soon as you decide to go a little bit quicker on the gravel, it just spins out. Two-wheel drive's always a little bit frustrating in that regard. But this, on a high grip surface, as you can see on the grass here, and it just wheelies. So, on short grass, I have no problem steering this thing around. But yeah, on the loose stuff, it just wants to spin out. Alright, let's see if we can get some jumps going. It's a new track. I gotta learn it. So there's probably gonna be a few accidents, but bear with me, I'm sure we'll find a groove. So this I think is like the perfect sort of beginner jump right here. Not too much of an incline, not too steep. You can approach it quite easily. And I can actually start from the concrete section over there. So I can get the truck lined up and hopefully line up a nice jump. Here we go. Oh, really nicely balanced, as long as you keep your throttle neutral. Oh, there we go. Spinning. I'm not even trying to go hard on the gravel. You see, there it goes. So, yeah, these tyres are probably not the best for this gravel. Okay, let's see if we can line her up. Yep. It's a little frustrating on the come on. It's a little frustrating on the gravel. You see, once you do get it going, once you do have that momentum, I can peg it. I can hold the throttle down, but it's just, yeah, let's see. Nice. Actually, it's got a slight nose up attitude, which is really good. But I'm just trying to bring it back. I'm not even being aggressive with the throttle. I think, oh, come on. I think a better set of tyres on this, and I'd be curious to see how it handles. I didn't bring any tyres with me, so we'll have to bear with my poor driving and lack of grip for the moment. But on 2S, come on, hold it. Come on, hold it. Oh, jeez. I'm being so gentle on the throttle. And this is on 2S, so 3S is going to be near impossible. So I think if this track was damp, I think it would actually hook up pretty nicely, but you can see the dust coming up. It's quite dry. Ooh. Oh, That sounds like the motor has shifted. Has the motor shifted? I think. Oh geez, and the motor's kind of hot too. Sorry, I'm off frame there. That sounds like the motor has shifted. Yeah, it has. Look, I don't know if you can see that on camera. See, motor has shifted, and I am now not getting any drive. So this is when we need to go back to the car and remesh the gears and come back out here and keep running. All right, let's just run it here. See if we can get some full throttle passes here now that it's all fixed up. It actually doesn't do too bad in this in the thicker gravel for some reason, and then when you get on the grass it just grips straight away. So the tyres do have their purpose. They do have their surface that actually grips nice. It may not suit everyone or every terrain, but it does. They do grip. You just got to find the surface that they grip on. And on 2S, I tell you what, this thing zooms along quite nicely. Can be a little bit of a handful for inexperienced drivers, because it will spin out on you. But when you do get grip, they are fun. Definitely needs a wheelie bar though. I kind of wish that these would come standard with the wheelie bar, because it's a short wheelbase and it's got a lot of power. I mean, I tried to do the speed test on 3S and I couldn't even get past half throttle before the thing flipped on its roof. So, watch out for the pole. And you see that, you know, the fact that it doesn't have a proper front bumper or a proper rear bumper, I think lends itself to really get that body damaged if you're not careful. But I would really like to see a bigger front bumper and a nice wheelie bar on here, at least for this truck. Alright, let's get back into the track and see what else we can do. Alrighty, let's see if we can line it up on this bigger jump here. Maybe not. This is probably going to be as equally frustrating to watch as it is for me to actually try and do it. I'll try and come off this jump. Here we go. Get some momentum. Oh, couldn't quite clear it. Oh no, did I lose steering? Don't tell me I lost steering. I've lost steering. So, oh no, my link popped out. I see it. My links popped out. Make it up. Come on, buddy. You can do it. I have faith in you. So, these links, this isn't the first time I've seen these. These links have a tendency to pop out because they just kind of grab on. So, you can get, you know, different branded ones that, let's see if I can line this up here and clip it in real quick. You can get different branded ones with the screw that actually goes through, so it's actually captured, and that way you can screw it down and it won't come off. And I can't seem to get it. Here we go. A nice firm push, hopefully. Oh, or maybe not. So it comes out a lot easier and then it goes back in. There we go. All right, got it. Okay, steering is back. I almost had that. Need a little bit more pace and I think it would have cleared the jump. So let's try it again. We'll see if we can do it. Having a link pop out is not a big deal. Oh, getting out of shape. Yeah, this definitely needs better tyres, especially if I'm going to try on 3S. Hey, made it. There we go. Yeah, nah. See, I can't even get it back. It's just, oh, I'm just trying so hard and it's just struggling on this gravel. The wind's picked up as well, which doesn't help the situation. So I may actually cut this one short. Not because the truck is broken or because it's got any major issues. It's just that I don't have tires that really grip well enough on this surface. And yeah, I cannot even bring it back to me. It's just, if the track was damp, I think that these tires may actually hook up okay. But a dry track like this, it's just, nah. Like I am feathering the throttle. It's just, it gets that momentum, there's no weight in the front, and it just, yeah. I suppose you probably need more weight in the back. But this is a, I think it's a 5500, I think, bashing, or it's a 5000. It's either one of those. It's a Gen Ace bashing pack. Ooh. I reckon on 3S I could even squeeze out a backflip once I have some good tyres. Don't lose it. But come on, here we go. Let's go, one more big one. Nah. Come on, get back up there. Get back up there. Oh no! The wind caught that one. The wind caught that one. Is it alright? I think it lived. It lived. I had a neutral throttle. I thought it was going to be okay. It was going to bring the nose back down, but we've got headwind now. Yeah, see, I hit the brakes on that one. Make sure the nose came down. Yeah, if you just want to muck around and do donuts, this has got it in spades, just on 2S. Woo! And the wind's really picking up. Yeah, just, oh, come on, bring it back. We will definitely come back here with some better tires. I've got some tires at home that I'm hoping will work a bit better on this. And yeah, we'll run this again. Unfortunately, on this terrain, these tires just don't do any justice. If you're on short grass, maybe running down at the local park, I think you'll be fine. But yeah, otherwise, you may want to budget for some tires depending on the terrain you're running on. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.